In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted email from trash. We're doing this on a computer using Gmail in a web browser, and I'll walk you through each part so it's clear and stress-free. Before we begin, a quick note. Gmail typically keeps deleted emails in trash for about 30 days. After that, they're permanently removed and won't be available with this method. Also, depending on your region, you might see trash labeled as bin. They're the same place. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the right Google account. If you have multiple accounts, double-check the profile in the top right corner so you restore the message to the correct inbox. Once Gmail is open, look at the left sidebar. If your list of folders looks short, click More to expand it. This reveals additional folders, including Trash or Bin. Click Trash to open it. Inside Trash, you'll see emails that were deleted but are still recoverable. Browse the list to find the message you want back. When you found it, hover over the message and check the box to select it. You can select more than one email if you want to restore multiple messages at once. If you need to double check the content, you can open the email first, then return to Trash and select it from the list. With your email selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the message list. Click the Move to icon, which looks like a folder with an arrow. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Inbox if you want the email to return to your main inbox, or pick a specific label if you want to organize it directly into a particular folder-like label. Selecting Inbox puts it back in your main view, while choosing a label files it neatly without cluttering your inbox. As soon as you make your selection, Gmail moves the email out of trash and into the destination you chose. To confirm, you can click Inbox on the left sidebar to see it back in place or open the label you selected. If you don't immediately see it, try sorting by date or using Gmail's search bar as you normally would. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you don't see trash, click More to expand the full list. If you're using a work or school account, keep in mind some organizations have retention policies that affect deleted emails. And remember, timing matters. Restore important messages before they age out of trash. That's it, you've successfully recovered a deleted email from trash.